Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm kicking off a new series called 2-Minute Tuesdays where I'm going to address your questions and different topics in a 2-minute time period on the clock. Today's 2-minute topic is about holster wedges, why they're useful, how to use them, and why placement matters. So let's get a timer going right here and we'll get started. This is a teardrop wedge from Dark Star Gear Holsters. You can pick this up off their website or pick up a wedge pretty much anywhere else. This is not a one-size-fits-all thing. I'm just showing you guys how to use it, and this is the one that I have. The purpose of a wedge is to get the top of the gun to tilt in closer to your body. Keep in mind that you're going to need some kind of way to attach the actual wedge to your holster. This one attaches with Velcro, but others might just come with an adhesive on them for you to stick anywhere. The thing that I like about the Velcro is it allows you to place it in different spots as you are customizing the actual fit of your holster. You can place it anywhere on the center line or off to the side or even down below so that it actually runs off of the end of your holster. If you're having issues with the grip of your gun printing, even if you have a wing on your holster, you're going to want to take your wedge and place it off to the slide side of your holster. So now we've placed the wedge off to the slide side of the gun, which is going to ultimately press the grip of the gun in closer to our body, as well as tilt the top of the slide in closer to our body. If you're having issues with the top of your slide printing, or if you have an optic on your gun, you're having problems with that printing, you're going to want to take your wedge and attach it to the wing side of your holster. That's going to tilt the top of the slide in as well as tilt the side of your gun in this direction. The only reason the wedge and the wing are working at all is because they have pressure coming down on them from the belt, or if you're using something like the Enigma. So in review, the purpose of a wedge is to get the top of the gun to tilt in closer to your body. And the placement of the wedge helps you to really dial in which part of the gun is needing additional concealment. So if you're having issues with the optic of your gun printing or just the top of your slide or your rear sight, you're going to want to place your wedge off the opposite side of your sights. If you're having issues concealing the corner of your grip, you're going to want to place your wedge off closer to the side of where your optic is going to be. Let me know what you guys think of this new 2-minute series down in the comments section, and let me know if there's any specific topics you'd like me to cover in this new series, and I'll see you guys in my next video.